Okay, so I actually got a little special video today. I know it's been some time since I made a video like this, but just a couple of days ago I went to a sale. Well, not a sale, but someone selling all his stuff. There was, you know, full rooms with electronics and, you know, breadboarding stuff and components and, you know, everything you can imagine. You know, it was a lot of stuff in there. So I went there and you know, the prices were, you know, ridiculously low. So I actually bought some cool stuff, and I was thinking we're gonna go ahead and take a look on it on this video, and this is gonna be awesome. Okay, so I'm the man behind the camera now. This is, you know, this is some of the things that I got actually. I took out the most, you know, the components, the things that I would like to have there. So this is just a throwaway, I think. And this is, I took some things out of there as well. But here we got the most interesting things. This is a little CNC machine right there, and this is almost brand new actually. And this is a controller for it, and this is actually driven by USB, so it's not that typical the big port that CNC using. So this is gonna be interesting to see how this is gonna work. And this is actually almost brand new. You know, it can't really tell if it's been used anything, but I know it's been used at least one time. So that's gonna be cool. Also, I got some motors here. So these ones are also brand new. We got some components here. This is some resistors here, and this is probably several thousand of them, different values. You know, this is never gonna end here. It's you know, this is a lot of resistors here. This is you know, I think this is cool. So that's that. Also, we got some other things here. Actually, some guitar stuff here. We got some knobs, got some jacks, we got some, you know, other things. And on the other side we got some pots right there, some electronics. Here we got a mount and a spindle for a CNC machine with an RPM controller. So that is kind of cool. Here we got some CNC building parts. This is you know, obviously smaller components, but you know, this is for building a CNC machine, so that is cool. Also here we got some backlashes, we got some mounts, we got some, you know, this kind of stuff. I think this is very cool. Also here we got some bearings, and this is also bearing, of course. So that is cool. What else do we have here? Oops, here we got something cool. We got some of these displays here for prototyping and all that kind of stuff going on. So that is cool. I got a couple of them. Also got some displays and also some other type of displays right there. So that is kind of cool as well. We got these, you know, these things over here. These ones are full with components. So you got everything here, and everything is written down here, so I can easily see what it is. And you know, you got a lot of things here, everything you need for building stuff. And this one, this is the bigger one here. This is pretty much the same, but this is for IC things. We got different parts here. I think this is quite awesome. Everything is in nice, you know, it's organized and well done. So that's that. You got a lot of stuff right there. Whew. Anyway, what do we have here? Well, we got some plastic bags full of breadboarding stuff and kits, and you know, we got everything here. We got some Arduino stuff. We got some more components with LCDs, and here we got some even more breadboarding stuff. Let me go ahead and put all this on the table here so we can have a great view on what is in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we've got here. You know, this is a lot of things. You know, this is massive. You know, this is there's no word for it. You know. And all this I bought for a tiny little bit of money like this. And we basically got a lot of new stuff here as well. These kind of small little display kits. You know, you can't really see it right now, but there's a display right here. It's a LED, you know, kind of thing going on here. So that's that, and you know, we got several Arduinos here that is actually never been used, and there is several Arduinos that is actually projects going on here. We got well, take a look at this first. This is small computers, actually, Arduino. I'm not sure if you know anything about them, but this is brand new stuff right there. We got Arduinos that is, you know, projects going on already with some kind of display right there. And we got, and this is the thermo sensor right there. So this is going projects, and this is something else going on here. This is another Arduino with you know, this is a project right here with another display and another sensor right there. Here we got another Arduino going right there with another kind of vintage looking display right there. This is actually very cool. I mean, now I got basically 6 or 7 or maybe 8 Arduinos, and that is kind of cool. Here we have a bunch of these kind of LED displays. I guess you can do whatever you want with these ones as long as you got the programming for it. Here we got another Arduino going on here. This is also a project that is going on here with you know, this seems to be some kind of amplifier or something like that. I'm not really sure. I need to look into it and see. What else do we have here? Here we got another Arduino project going on. I have no idea what this is all about. We got a little breadboard right there as well. This one is actually hooked up to a fan, so I'm not really sure what is going on there. Here we got this is another. This is not an Arduino, but there's something going on here. This is not sure what that is. You know, I'm not too good about these small computers. I have no idea. This is with a LCD, and it's hooked up with a USB as well. So yeah, that's that. Oops, there we got some resistors. That is great to have. Here we got another type of display here, which is very good to have. Here we got a bunch of breadboarding cables, which is cool to have. Here we got another computer. This is actually, I've seen these ones before. This is kind of like a controller card. It's not really a computer, sorry, but this is a controller card, so that is cool. And this is also for hooking up IC things to program ICs, and that is kind of cool as well. We got some breadboarding cables, some more cables right there. We got some sort of a kit here. Have no idea what it is, but it seems to be, it says Mega 2560. I have no idea what it is. Some kind of computer or something like that. I need to Google it to see what it is actually. Here we got some more of these old school numbers. We got some more of these rectangular LEDs. We got more of these ones right here. We got another one right there. Here we got something with a battery on. Yeah, this is for, you know, this is common when breadboarding and all that kind of shit going on. Here we got something, you know, this is LCD going on there with some things here. I have no idea. Seems to be, let's see here. I would say this is, no, I have no idea what this is supposed to be. I have to check it out. Here we got another breadboard kit right here with cables. We got another thing going on there with a USB. I don't know what it is. I need to check it out and see. We got a breadboard thing over there. Here we got some other things going on. This is, I don't know what this is supposed to be. And also we got a smaller LCD right there. This is cool, great to have. This is a programmer for testing out, or, you know, not only programming, you know, for building, prototyping, so to speak. Have no idea what he's doing there. Here we got a mini, no, that's a mini USB right there. Some other things going on there. Here we have something with a little display on there. Have no idea what that is. Here we got some more components. We got some breadboarding stuff right there. This is probably some kind of kit, perhaps. I have no idea. I need to check it out and see what it's all about. Here we got, oops, we got some more Arduinos here. I think I maybe got 10 or 12 Arduinos now. These ones are also brand new Arduinos, so that's kind of cool. Also, we got some audio speakers right here. This is great to have for building summers or, you know, anything like that. Here we got another kit here. I think this is supposed to be some kind of amplifier, perhaps. It looks like it. We got some transistors. Yeah, I think this is some kind of amplifier actually. Yeah. What else do we have here? We have a lot of stuff here. We got something, you know, with on and off switch. I have no idea what this is being used for. We got some more of these tiny controller cards. You know, it's very much a lot of stuff here. And then we got a bunch of these. This is mini USB controller cards. These ones are great for building projects where you need this kind of connection here. There's one more. There is one more. Here is a couple of more. There we got one. There we got one. There we got one. Here we got one. Here we got one, and there we got one. So that's kind of cool. I have no idea what's in this package here, but you know, let's go ahead and take a look on what's in there, because I'm really curious to see what is going on. And here we got a small little display, so that is very cool. What else do we have here? A little breadboarding stuff here. We got some kind of, I've seen these ones before. This is kind of cool. This is kind of like a little globe. I think this one is supposed to light up and you know, make color changes and all that kind of stuff going on. So that's cool. What else do we got here? We got a battery holder. What's this? This is a display with a project going on here. Yeah, that is also what it is. We got some more mini USB connector. We got another of these LED, you know, that I showed you before. We got another one of these globe things over there. We got another LED right there. We got another LED right there. We got another LED right there. We got something going on here. I'm not sure what it is, but we're going to find out. Oh yeah, this is a bigger LCD right there, or display, not an LCD. Sorry. We got a bunch of cables right here. This is USB to USB mini, so that's cool to have for all the projects. We got some cables, and you know, this is a lot of stuff here. Here we have Arduino enclosure. So I guess this is the big enclosure. I've seen different types of these ones, so I think that's kind of very cool. So I'm very excited about what projects you can build with all these Arduinos actually, because I think I have 10 or 12 of them. And this is all projects. And oh, I forgot to show you also, oops, also I got these a little bigger breadboarding thing here. Here he actually built a project. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to find out. And it seems like it is supposed to be it's some kind of temperature. I can see that this is, yeah, this is some kind of temperature thing with actually that telling temperature with this is some speaker here, so this is making noise when it's dropping to a certain temperature, I believe. It seems like what components do we have here? Yeah, I actually think so. This is some kind of temperature, since we have the sensor right here, and I recognize these components here. So yeah, that's kind of cool. So that's pretty much what it is. So yeah, okay, so I actually got a bunch of, you know, this thing here with tools here. So this was a very cheap price as well, and I got several of these small cutting tools here. This is also noticed that this is a very expensive brand, so I think one of these is kind of like I would say 35-40 euros or something like that at least, and I got kind of like 4 of them right there. Also got these crimp tools. This is these ones are expensive as well. I think they are about perhaps 200 euros each, brand new. This one also about 200 euros, and this is for you know, this is crimping tools right here. So yeah, and also we got some screwdrivers here, different kind of models. there's some very nice ones here actually. We got some, this one is nice as well. There's some nice screwdrivers here for electronics. So, and also we got this is of course a more old thing here, but it's doing its job actually. So that's well, you know, I bought this mostly for these things over here. So I got this one, you know, I bought these ones and I got all of this. I got some more right there. This is kind of like small electronics things, and also I got one more cutter here, but it's you know, I think I need to, it's a little stiff, it's a little dodgy, or so to speak. So let's go ahead and take a look what more I got. Oh yeah, I got this power supply. This is a really good power supply. I got it super cheap, and it's working great. So that is that's going to be good in use. Also, I got a lot of these things right here. This is great for, you know, breadboarding or anything actually that you need some contact with. You know, it's working like this. You just doing like this, and you got a little thingy over there. Yeah. Also, I got these two right here. Got some. This is some things here. It's a lot of things here. So this is kind of cool. I think it's different stuff. IC holder. Yeah. Also we got this one with some stuff in it. It actually says on the box what it is. So yeah, let's go ahead and see there. We got some more of these. Got some resistors. Got some more resistors. Got some capacitors. Got some more things. Fuses. Okay. Got some of this stuff as well for soldering. Yeah. This one, also this one. And the best part, well, not the best part, but one of the best parts is this. We got a bunch of capacitors here. Yeah. Different values and all that kind of stuff. So this is kind of cool. Well, I have something more to show you that is super cool that I got as well. Okay, so I also got these 4 boxes here. It's 1, 2, 3, and one on top of there. So these ones I did not really take, you know, I didn't really look what's in them more than one of them, and I thought I'd get a super great deal on all 4 of them, so I just grabbed them. So let's go ahead and open the first one here. This is the one that I was looking in. I recognize the parts here, the stuff here. We got some of these things. We got some trim pots right here, and these ones are 10K, all of them. So maybe I need to run a great project to use these ones. We got some 9-volt battery. And here we got something cool. This is a big pack with capacitors, and I believe these ones are different ones. Oh yeah, this is a set with different type of capacitors actually. This is super great to have. What else do we have here? We got some things for mounting. We got some other things. We got some RCA things here. This is for audio. We got some we got some this stuff right here. I'm gonna try to make the camera focus here. This is actually, this is not really for breadboarding, but you know, it's you can do something with it. And here we got some breadboarding kind of cables ready to use, I believe. So that's kind of cool. This is, I think this is a lot of stuff here. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Starting from the bottom here, this is capacitors. They are all, you know, you can see everything here, so know what's where. I can go ahead and open one up and see. Take a little closer look here. This is looking great, I believe, and I'm gonna be using this is gonna be great use for me. Here we got some more resistors. I got several thousand of the resistors here in, you know, the big box I showed you before. But this is in nice order here, so this is great. Here we got some more resistors. You can absolutely see which is where, and I think this is great. This is exactly what I need for doing my projects. And here we got some bolts, washers, nuts, and some plastic bushings for your projects, well, for my projects more or less. So that's kind of cool. Okay, let's jump into the next one here really quick. Let's open this one up here. We got oh, I have not opened this one. Holy crap, this is a lot of stuff here. I'm all excited here. This is wow, what's in this bag? We got some resistors, we got some transistors, we got some IC things, we got a lot of stuff here actually. So this this is cool. We got a big bag of LEDs, different shapes, different variations, you know, round ones, we got square ones, we got different stuff here, yeah, that's for sure. Transistors, we got more transistors, we got, oops, take a look at this. This is some practicing boards, you know, for making your small little projects, so that's a bunch of those. And here we got also a bunch of practicing boards, so that's good. We got some of this stuff right here. I have no idea what value it is, but I think it's oops, this is not really very common, but maybe it'll come to use someday. Here we got some mini switches for you know, for PCBs, or you know, pretty much any project I'm going to build, so that's cool. What else do we have here? We got something already built. I have no idea what it is, but it is absolutely something, I don't know, I have no idea. Oops, there's one more. This is cool. This is some old school LED numbers. I think this is very cool. I like this kind of stuff. We got some other things. We got some more. This, I have no idea what it is. Anyway, this. Oh wow! Take a look at this. This is red LEDs. So this is this is 5 millimeters, most common ones in Europe, I believe, at least. So okay, that's kind of cool. Let's put some things back here. I want to keep this video short, so I think it's already up to kind of like 20 minutes or so. Let's go ahead and do like this and open this one and see what this is all about. We have some papers we're not gonna have a look on. This one is empty. Oh wow, this one is empty as well. Here we got some, okay, this is some sockets right there for projects, even high voltage projects, I believe. Here we got some, oh, this is trim pots right here. This is kind of cool, I believe. We got some trim pots for projects that's needing these kind of stuff. 500K, 5K, 1K. Oh, wow, 1K, that is, I used to use a lot of 1K trim pots before, back in the days. Here we got some 10K trim pots. You know, all this is very good to have. I'm very happy about the very cheap, super cheap price on all this stuff I got. Let's go ahead to another one here. Oh, let's see what's in here. Oh, holy shit! This, I did not expect this. You know, this is all new for me. I never opened these ones before. Take a look at this. This is a lot of small, tiny, you know, practicing boards or small projects, I should say. This is super cool. And even here we got some more. These ones are a little bit bigger though. So for a little bit bigger projects, this is super cool. I'm happy about this. We got some this stuff right here. We got blah blah blah. We got some switches right here, and these ones are not super common anymore. I see more and more these days that the design is actually looking a little bit different. We got some cooling elements here. We got some, what else do we have here? We got some kind of kit of some sort, I have no idea. Got some mounting rings, bushings right here for, this is plastic for all that kind of stuff. Wow, this is some kind of tubes. Have no idea what this is for. I don't know if it's new stuff or if it's used stuff. I have no idea. Here we got some, this is a volt regulator, I believe. I've seen these ones before and I really think, yeah, it's a volt regulator. That's what it, oh, there's one more. One more. We got some fuse holders right there. More cooling elements right there. Oh wow, here's one more of these ones. That's, I think that's kind of cool. What else do we have here? We got some rubber feet. Oh yeah, a lot of stuff in here. So that's super great, I believe, I think. Well, I think it's super great, of course it is. I'm very happy about these mini boards, you know, these kind of stuff here. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside here. We got not too much stuff here. This is some you know, random stuff, I believe, nothing fancy. Here we got some of this stuff right here. I recognize some of the models here immediately. It's great to have this kind of stuff here because you never know when you're gonna need one of these. So I think that's kind of cool. Seems like some of these ones are used ones, but as long as they work. Let's go ahead and see here. We got more of these transistor stuff here. We got different type of you know, all this kind of stuff, so that's great. I think that's super great actually. Yeah, okay, what else do we have here? Oh yeah, this is pretty much the same. Wow, I see something rare. These ones are not common anymore. These days these ones are actually not looking like this anymore. It's been a long time since I saw one of these, so that's kind of cool. Okay, we're gonna dig into the last box here. I'm gonna wrap up this video. Take a look at this one right here. Let's see what's inside of here. Wow, this is kind of cool. Okay, what's this? Positive acting PCB. Oh yeah, okay, this is for making PCBs. Okay, yeah, okay. Oh, wow, this is cool. We got some DC connectors, male, female, and this is the model with you can actually put some cables here. So that's super cool for your projects. So yeah, So, and we got some B and C stuff. This is also for, you know, hooking up cables here, so that's kind of cool. Oh, this is cool. We got a display right there. We got another display right there. What else do we have here? We got this looks to be a kit of some sort. I'm not really sure. It looks like let's see here. It could be. I have no idea. I need to check it out and see what it is. We got some resistors. I got several thousand of these ones. You see it before in the video. What do we have here? This is oh yeah, this is oh, this is the most common one. This is a 16F84. You know, back in the day for making, you know, this is a very good memory in here. I used to use this 16F84 in a lot of projects, and this is some great stuff to have actually. And this used to be the most common one as well, so that's great. We had some transistors. We got oh wow, this is a big screen right there, display. Holy crap, wow, that's a big one. What else do we have here? We got some whoa, LED. No, that's not LEDs. This is actually for remote controls. Yeah, okay, I think so. This is oh wow, take a look at this. We got another display right here. We got this is seems to be, this is wow, this is a controller card for a stepper motor. That's cool to have. What's this? Oh wow, that's cool. That's just another display right there. You gotta be careful with these ones. Let's see what we have here. Oh, this is LEDs. No, this is for remote controls. Yeah, this is let's see here. This is UV LEDs. 5,000 to 6,000. Yeah, okay, that's 100 pieces in here. So I think that's cool. Could actually be. Oh, holy crap! Take a look at this. It's a brand new. Yeah. Oh wow, that's a stiff one, but it's actually brand new. Oh wow! And this is a super expensive brand as well. You know, these ones is about 40 or 50 euros each. I was having a fast look on internet, and I saw these ones are expensive. I need to lubricate this one a little bit, and I got a new one. So yeah, okay, that's kind of cool. What else do we have here? We got a bunch of LEDs and different. Oh yeah, this is the. Oh yeah, this is the more rare ones. Well, they're not rare, but you know, you're perfect for breadboarding because they are mounted in a plastic piece of block here with in different colors and all that kind of stuff. So this is great for breadboarding actually. What else do we have? There's a lot of stuff here, and this is a going project. I can see that he built. I have no idea what it is, but it's using this super common memory here, and you know, processing is 16F84. So I think it has something to do with a memory at least. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so let's put some of the things back here, and I'm super happy about this because I get to start with my breadboarding again and get some small projects going. Of course, it's been many years since I did that, and I'm super happy about this because I got all this crap for, you know, the crap. This is great stuff right here for a tiny little amount of money. So more. Also, there's a video coming up very soon with some very cool thing, something that I did a lot when I was a teenager. It's kind of like a computer or anything like that. It's gonna be a cool video, but that's for the future in a couple of weeks or so. So until next time, take care now. Bye bye then.